School of 19 Pemecutan. So first of all, we would like to introduce ourselves. Yeah. So I'm Ida Ayu Putu Puspawati.
Ramade Primardayani.
Eka Putri. Okay. In this occasion, we are going to present our lesson plan. Yeah. For the actually we bring the English version. Yeah, that we just made few minutes before. So our theme is circular economy, and then for the topic is how to make household waste or cooking oil into aromatherapy candles. Yeah, maybe all of the teacher here had made it before. Okay, for the topic we had mentioned, we can invite the student in order to make procedure text. Yeah, we can make them ask them to make procedure text how to make waste cooking oil or minyak jelantah into aromatherapy candles. And for the trigger questions, to brainstorm the students' prior knowledge, the first question will be, what will be the effect that happen to environment if we throw the waste cooking oil to the ground? Is it dangerous or not? Yeah, what will be the danger? Okay, the second one, how to process waste cooking oil to be economically valuable in the society to make a product. Yeah, for the new vocabularies are ramiro, essential oil, wax mold, minyak jelantah or cooking oil itself, and stearin, yeah, to harden the manufacture of the candles. And for the time allocation is 3 times 45 minutes. And for the purpose of the learning, yeah, tujuan pembelajaran, the student will know the effect or the danger of throwing the waste cooking oil to the soil or to the ground. And the student will know how to process cooking oil to be economically valuable product in the society. For the weekly project, by the end of the week, yeah, students are assigned to bring waste cooking oil that is gotten after cooking at the kitchen, and then the students are doing the practical project how to make aromatherapy candle from the waste cooking oil. And the last one, students are promoting their group work result or their product to the students or their classmates, their teacher, and also the parents or family. And the last one, reflection. Students are understood and able to practice how to make aromatherapy candles from waste cooking oil to be economically valuable product. I think that's all from our group result discussion. Thank you very much for your attention. Have a good day.